Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Divine Rose Palette Volume 2 from Pat McGrath, and I also have the lip trio in the shade pink. So I'm going to be trying all this on for the first time. This is a total first impressions on Pat McGrath. I've only ever swatched it on my arm, never used any of it actually on my face. If you're new here, hi there and welcome. My name is Donna, like I said. All my socials and everything are listed down below, and don't forget to check out my blog where I go more in depth into all the makeup that I've reviewed. On this channel, we do demos, makeup tutorials, reviews, looking at my makeup collection, whole bunch of stuff that you don't want to miss out on. So make sure to like this video and to subscribe down below. Everything that I'm wearing on my face currently will be listed in the description down below, as I always do. So here we go into the tutorial slash demo slash first impressions, and all I have is a full face of makeup done, and the only things that are missing are the lips and the eyes. All right, so here we go into creating the eye look. So I have the palette here. I just recently showed this in my palette tag video, which I'll link up here so you can check it out if you haven't already. And I got this one here. I wasn't able to get the pink limited edition one, but that's all right. This is the Divine Rose 2. And so I'm going to create a nice kind of pinky look. I definitely want to go into these two shimmers here and kind of stay in this area. This one might be a little bit too much for what I want today, but even this one up here is really gorgeous. So I'm going to swatch these. I'm going to insert right here me swatching them and how they kind of reflect in the light. Along with the palette, I did get the Trio set, which I'm really happy about because they don't have them on Sephora, and it was actually quite a bit cheaper. I did want them, and so it was actually a lot cheaper buying them all together. So I got the peach set, I believe, and this is the first one here. This is called Buff, is this color here. And again, I will put in some swatches. And I'm going to wear all of this today as well. Because I figure, you know what, it's matching what I got going on. So gorgeous. And again, these are, I do have mini Pat McGraths, and I've used them before, but I've never gotten a lip liner or a full lipstick or even a lip gloss like this one is right here. And this is it here. And I really liked the, I think it was called Rose or Dusty Pink or something, but this is it here. But there was something about the peach, because I do have so much pink and mauve and nude colors that, you know, having something a little bit peachy was kind of right up my alley. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of the lip liner and the lipstick on, because I can't stand when I'm doing my makeup and I don't have it done. It really does affect the whole kind of look. Yeah, very, very creamy, really nice. I do love the color. And considering how dry my lips are, it's not really accentuating all the dryness. I mean, your lips are dry, they're dry. There's not much you can do about that besides put some like lip gloss on. So the color is really nice. Ooh, it's so pretty. And basically what you're seeing on camera is what like I'm seeing in the mirror. So it's holding pretty true. So now I'm gonna go into the lip gloss here. This one is called Peach Perversion. Why wouldn't it be? Ooh, it smells fantastic. Again, this is my first impression of a Pat McGrath gloss. It's very Very creamy, but not goopy. It has a little bit of shimmer, but nothing too much. Oh, I'm so glad I put that on. That is a gorgeous combination. I'll swatch this and I'll insert the video right here, but I'm gonna try this for another day because I really love what's going on right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the palette, and as per usual, I'm gonna have a photo of the palette next to me, and then I will show you along what it is that I'm doing. And so if you want to recreate this look, or if you're curious like what color I'm dipping into and what brush I'm using, I post everything on the screen so you can follow along, and it doesn't take like 35 minutes to watch a video and know what I'm doing. And I'm back. I just put a little bit of eyeliner and mascara. I went in with the Tarte Sex Kitten and my L'Oreal Unlimited. I got a new one of these, so it's all nice and fresh. Really been loving this Tarte one. I mean, I used it for a bit, went into the Fenty and came back to this, and I can't put this down. So this is really great. Okay, when it comes to the eyeshadow, it's fantastic. I really love it. Is it worth that kind of price tag? I don't really think so, but the shimmers are fantastic, and these like holographic ones, this is a totally different formula, and it's almost like satin. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but as you can see as I put it on, one thing that's amazing about this eyeshadow is it's doing that magnet thing that I talked about in my other video where I was talking about like the Tarte Beauty or the Tom Ford palette. And what I mean by like magnet is that when I would put a color down and I would blend it, as soon as I put another one on top, it was like it knew what to do, and it's like it's found its buddy and it just kind of did its thing. And so I created a beautiful lifted, you know, outer. Usually I bring my eyeshadow, it's too low and I always have to get rid of it. Everything is just so lifted, and right where I wanted it to be, I placed it and it just stood there. I mean, that usually happens with higher end shadows, so I'm really glad I encountered that with this. And believe it or not, as really neat as this shade is, and I have it right in the center as you saw me use it, and when I move it shifts, and sometimes, you know, because your eye can be bumpy or wrinkly, so it has different things. These two are great here. But the mattes are fantastic. I didn't think I would love the mattes as much as I did. This purple here is not kidding around, but it really is gorgeous. When it comes to the Trio set, I have the peach one here. I am just blown away by this color and by the quality. This lip liner and this gloss, I'm just looking at my lips and they are fantastic. It's not overboard. I feel comfortable like this being around family, and it's not overpowering. And I think all I learned from this is that I need to get the pink one. So there we have it. That was my review of the Divine Rose collection by Pat McGrath. And overall, I loved everything, and everything worked, and it's fantastic. It is on the more expensive end, but you know what? There are shades and formulas in here that you're not going to find anywhere else. You have to be mindful of that, and the quality and the pan sizes are quite large, so you're going to have it for a very long time. So there's a lot of factors at play, but I love the palette, worked well, so glad I got it. The Trio, fantastic. I couldn't ask for anything more. I think it's great, and this is exactly the color that I wanted. So yeah, so that's everything. Thank you so much for watching right to the end. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below so you can check out the rest of my Get Ready With Me's and all my makeup collection videos. If you like this video, then check out the other ones that are popping up right here. They go really in depth into all my makeup collection and into all the Get Ready With Me's and tutorials that I have on my channel. I hope you and your families are all doing well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!